Welcome back to the Bulldog Insider. For the first time since David Carr was quarterback, a Fresno State Bulldog is gracing the cover of Sports Illustrated. Sort of. Kerry Edmondson is a staff photographer at Fresno State. He also moonlights shooting other pro and college football teams. Last fall, he was covering the Stanford Cardinal when he snapped a photo that is earning him national acclaim.
Okay, guys, here we go. 3, 2, 1, dribble.
Photography is more than a job.
Definitely more of a passion.
For Kerry Edmondson.
There's not much, more I'd rather do than do pictures.
Edmondson is a staff photographer at Fresno State.
I primarily don't shoot sports here. I primarily just the campus life. 2, 1.
But on this day, it's a photo shoot with the women's basketball team. Fresno State is riding the momentum of the Catch the Wave campaign with the football team that caused quite a buzz on campus.
I saw something that BYU had done for their gymnastics team a few years back, and so when I saw that, I wanted to incorporate the red wave for Fresno State and try to do something for us. It's exciting to see everyone reacting because, being an alum myself, I'm excited to see the pictures because I love going to the games just as much as the next guy. 1, 2, 3.
Edmondson is a 2002 graduate of Fresno State.
What got me into photography, I was actually an art major at Fresno State, and I did drawing, painting, and then I got LASIK surgery, and when I got LASIK surgery, I just decided to start taking pictures.
He later became the photo editor of the Collegian, the school's student newspaper, and for the past 2 years, he's worked in the university's communications department.
My parents would probably say I had an eye for it all the time because I was crazy with puzzles growing up. It's just that I had a knack for it, I guess, because I didn't really have too much formal training except for what everyone was showing me here at Fresno State.
Along with working at Fresno State, Edmondson also shoots for USA Today. Football and basketball are his favorite sports to shoot, and it's football that's earned him his biggest honor, the cover of Sports Illustrated.
I just got to mark off the #1 item on my bucket list.
A snapshot Edmondson took last October of Stanford linebacker Shane Skov is featured on one of 6 regional covers for Sports Illustrated's College Football Preview Edition.
That's my most prized possession, maybe not my most prized photo. If it was Derek Carr on the cover, it would have been my most prized photo and cover. But it hasn't really changed except the attention, and I'm going to have something really nice in my office now. I'm going to have a big Sports Illustrated cover in there. That's about it.
And who knows, if the Bulldogs get off to an unbeaten start, Edmondson might have another opportunity to grace the cover of Sports Illustrated. Coming up, a former Bulldog All-American is sidelined with an injury.